It's going to be a super short video. I'm going to show you 3 different exercises you can do with a barbell if you're new to the gym. Starting off here with the classic barbell back squat. Now, if you've never done one of these before, you want to set yourself up, make sure the height is good, first of all, based on your height. I like putting my pinkies right in the groove, right? Depending on how big your arms are, I have short T-Rex arms, so mine are the close grip. And you want to kind of grip it so it's not all completely on your back. You want to have some control over it with your hands. And I'm using no weight here just to kind of show you the form because that's the most important. All right, so you want to kind of squeeze your upper back as well. Make sure your back is straight and stand up and walk forward so you're off of the rack. Okay, now once you're here, I have a good hold on it, but my trap muscles are kind of supporting it, but I'm not like shrugging, okay? I'm keeping it kind of relaxed, but I have the bar. The bar feels very supported on my shoulders and with my hands. So I'm just gonna focus on my lower body now. It's all in the legs. So my feet are flat on the ground, hip width apart, knees are right over my toe, or I'm sorry, my knees are right under my hips. That's what I should have said. All the way down, as low as you can, and all the way up and squeeze your butt at the top. All right? And gradually, progressively overload. I highly recommend writing down what you're doing. Exercise number 2 is going to be called an inverted row. Okay? So I'm going to just keep the bar in the same position. Obviously, you could adjust based on your height, but I kind of pre-did it already. So I'm going to grip the bar from the outside this time. Step in and lean back your body weight. Notice that my hips are not sagged like this. Push your hips forward enough until your butt is tight and your body is flat, okay? Trust the bar, just hold on tight. You can kind of make little adjustments here by stepping back and stepping forward. The more you step back, the less weight is on it, so therefore the more doable it is, all right? The more of a regression it is. The more you step forward, the more of a progression the exercise is because you're putting more weight on there, okay? But the idea is to stay on your heels and make sure your body is straight. Once you're here, keep your chest tall and you pull it in right to the center of your chest. Inhale going down, exhale coming up. Of course, you could always adjust the height so you could go even deeper if you need to, but make sure that form is on point because that's the most important part. Exercise number 3, you're going to do it from standing now. Hold it underneath like this, kind of like you pull your elbows under so it's on the top of your chest. It's like a rack position. All right, bring it up, step forward, similar to the barbell back squat, only it's in the front now as opposed to on your back. And the arms are just a placeholder here. All right, you're going to do a squat again, squat, and then as soon as you come to the top, you press, okay, to lock, and then back to the chest. Whoops, I think I just scratched the mic, okay? Squat and press. Now, if you want to make this even more of a better exercise, you don't stop in between, all right? So there's a squat and there's the press and here, all right? So there's 3 points, but if you keep moving through all 3 points, you get that much more out of it. Inhale, exhale. See how it's like continuous? And this is a full body movement. Works pretty much every muscle in your body. Keep your abs tight as well. Okay? A few reps of those, and you'll be feeling a great full body workout for sure. So if you want to format this, you do 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Put a weight on there that's challenging for you. Obviously, you don't want to fully go to failure, but you want to come close. But if you're a beginner, start light, and then work your way up. Highly recommend writing it down, and then watch your body change over the next coming months. Hopefully this helped. If it did, please leave a like. Helps show it to more people who might need it, and subscribe for more workout tutorials. Have a good day.